Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel where you get a little everything Jamaican. I am Michelle, and this morning Marzal and I, we are heading to see Mass Nevi. You know, we would have gotten some items for him, and so we are delivering them to him this morning. So journey with us. This morning we are outfitted in water boot and all. Marzal too, because it rained yesterday and so the road is quite slippery. So we decided against driving, and so we are going to walk to him this morning. So please remember to like, share and subscribe to the channel, so once we post a new video you will be updated. All right, okay, so journey with us, guys. Oh wow. So this morning we have to say thank you to our donor YJ. She would have donated, and as such this morning we are able to bring Mass Nevi some grocery items as well as a solar light that I know will be very useful to him because of the current situation that he's in. So YJ, thank you as usual for always supporting the channel and the work that we do, and for helping so many persons, because without your help and the help of other donors, of course, we wouldn't be able to do what we're doing. All right, so thanks so much, guys. Thank you. And so this morning now we're heading. The task is proving to be a little bit difficult just because the sun is out, and so what we have done is to stock up our backpacks this morning, Marzal and myself, with the grocery items, so that we wouldn't have to be bringing them in hand, so that, you know, I think that would be a little more difficult. So we have them in our backpacks and we're taking the journey. So let us see what happens. Oh Lord, we reach a cool shade. This is nice. Nice cool shade. Oh, I'd rather just walk because I don't want to stop and rest on that cool shade and then have to go back out in the sun. So it's best to just get it done. You could walk under there, Marzal. You want me to help you with that there? Okay. A cool shade here, so. Wow. She's a nice spot. Hopefully we soon reach. We're not too far right now, but like I said, because the sun is so hot, we have to take our time and so on and rest a little bit. But we'll get there. Right, Marzal?
Right. Yes, I have one.
Yeah. So we soon reach, guys. We have 2 corners and then we reach. 2 corners and then we're there.
Sun hot, you know?
And we couldn't walk with an umbrella because we're having these things in our hands, so it would be difficult to walk with an umbrella.
It's some muddy.
Yeah.
They drive through it, you know.
Yeah, last time it flashed up real bad.
I know a car can't come back though.
What do you mean?
They're muddy.
You see Marzal in his purple colored knapsack bag this morning. Don't mind the color though. That is his bag. But it was the easiest thing we could get this morning to split the items that we are bringing with us. So See, reach another cool shade, Marzel.
Yeah, stop.
Well, there's a second cool shade, so
Yeah, we soon reach, you know.
yeah.
Ooh,
Nice, not true.
a good one this.
Yeah, man. Oh, under apple trees, yeah.
Enough apple up on the tree.
Apples.
Come in them black, some of them.
Yeah.
They're ready to, you know, you see on that tree, look.
Oh, yes, some dark colored ones, eh?
Yeah. Yes. Come. When Mass Nevi this time I go to a clinic.
It's sometime in September, I think he had said.
Oh,
I think one of the time he had said June, but when we came the last time, he said September.
oh. That's why I have to make sure Sam did it.
Okay.
Mass Nevi have dog today. Door open, so did it.
Yeah.
Mass Nev. Yeah, deal with. Yeah, the porridge. So you're doing enough so we can get some? Yeah, say man.
Mass Nevi. Yeah.
My foot shot. Kai porridge done.
Oh.
Hey.
You this program and say God must bless you, God.
Yeah.
God must bless them one, yeah, man. You get it to stove, yeah.
Yeah.
Always I use it.
Yes, man.
You don't go back down at bottom?
Oh, sir.
No, sir.
Oh, God.
No, don't go down there.
So,
Oh,
so you use the stove and everything good.
yes, man. Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
Turn out, turn on.
Yes. That's so nice. Yeah, man. You just came, oh, you were down by the road.
Me like foil and me say, I go look at that and me say, and me get up soon because me say, I go before you soon.
Okay, so you get the lock where you go for buy?
Yes, man, we get one lock.
Oh, where there? Oh, it on the table?
No, man, that one of the foil.
Why spoil one that?
One little one we get for $300.
Padlock.
Yes, sir.
Oh. Wow.
Yeah, man, you have your breakfast.
So how are things otherwise? You're good?
Yeah, man.
Yeah. You got church tomorrow?
Yes, man. We water, water.
Oh, you're not at the bottled water?
Yes, man.
You never bring it on today, no?
Yes, man.
Next time when we come in.
Yes, man.
Alright, so Mass Nevi,
Yes, man.
we come this morning, we have a donor
Yes,
by
man.
the name of, we refer to her as YJ,
Yeah.
right? So YJ out of the UK.
Yes,
That rhymes. So, as a result of her this morning, we're able to bring you a solar light. It's just a light. So, you install it, and so once the sun is out, it recharges it, so you always have light.
So if I in another room, it's dark.
Yeah.
So dark, and there's somewhere we put it.
Yeah, you want it in here, so?
Another
Can
one.
light up both rooms, you know?
You can, yeah, just set it in a way so you have light in both rooms.
Yes, man, we want light up around this.
Yes.
So me I cook over this, you know.
Oh, yeah, man. Yes, and so we were able to get the solar light for you and some groceries.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, but we have to walk up this morning because of the rain yesterday.
I mean, I tell you about if we jail around, so that better out.
Yeah, I don't know if that road is even better. It's so bad. Yeah, man, it's bad too. So, But it's okay. We reach.
No good man.
Yeah, man. Yes, so we just want to, say thanks to YJ for making all of this possible for you.
God bless them, mister.
Yes. I'm going to unpack them stuff here and put them beside you.
Yeah.
Or the drill. We're going to install the light for you as well before we leave.
Yeah, man.
Oh, man, so we can't get it out. Oh. All right.
God bless them, mister.
Yes. Where you want me to put it? On the settee right here?
Yes, man. Put it right here, son.
Okay. How much you say you have, Leaf? How much is it? 2 parts? Oh, alright. So we bring you syrup, crackers, cooking oil, ketchup, soup and sugar, butter, flour, cornmeal, and we bring you parboiled rice.
Yes, ma'am.
Tin mackerel.
Yeah.
Have another bag to empty.
I'm going to go down this place, go get 1/4 pound of saltfish a while ago.
Oh, so the groceries are bought, finish?
The grocery,
Oh.
the thing we cook it,
Oh, tin food and so. Okay. Because me dog said, because the last time you said it can't serve it till August. We can't find the zip. What is it there? Oh. Okay. Alright, so some more tissue. You have red peas here, so coconut milk.
Alright.
2 buns. Yeah, you have tough crackers and lasco. Hot noodles. And see, beside you bring you 1 extra kitchen towel. We did bring you 1 the last time, so we bring you 1 more.
Yes, sir.
And you have seasoning.
1 last.
And cream crackers. So you have some biscuits here.
God,
Yeah.
God, well, man.
Yes, man. Oh, and the eggs. We bring you flatter eggs
Yes,
here.
man. Yes, man. Try to bring that from.
Hold on.
Wait for me, ma'am. God, man. God stand up for me, man.
Yeah,
Well,
man.
I serve God, man. Nobody could have but God,
Yes.
No, man. Go, God.
All right. So may I rest your eggs right up here, so
Right,
here?
right, man. Good, man. God bless you, man. God bless you.
Okay. All right. So, whew. I say like I install the light now. Hold on. Here come.
Yes, I can put them thing in a 1 bag.
Which part you going to put in there?
The panel. Put the panel. No traffic as well as more of the camera more.
How strong that? The wire is long enough so that it can come back and light up. Yeah, I think so too. The wire not long enough for you put it all the way over there, so.
A good length, man. You can run through. And 1 thing still enough.
What happened?
But make sure say we don't left nothing.
Or if you install it.
Yeah. If anything left down there, problem.
Couldn't go back right now.
You know, so me take up the pliers and leave it.
You did need it?
No. I must need it.
And hold it up. Nice. Yeah.
Some hot man.
I'm telling you.
Well, alright, now see if your battery charge. Wow.
Oh.
Right. See?
You see it? Oh, okay.
Battery charge up. You see like Mass Nevi?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Bright.
Yeah, man, it's bright. Okay, so it's to install it now. Can't make it turn over
But
there.
it's around 10 honey carry, you know.
Yeah, it was too heavy.
Heavy, yes.
Uh-oh, the banana fall over.
Turn over.
It came right out of the earth.
Yes, man.
Yeah.
Now you have peas tree them. And it fit, you know?
It fit? I guess it will stay there and ripe. You cover it up, Mass Nevi?
Yes, sir.
Oh, okay. Alright,
I'm
guys.
banana, you know.
You don't eat it?
No, sir.
Really?
Send me a banana cleared me.
Oh.
Because send me go work on a banana cleared me down there, man.
And from that you don't eat anymore?
No, sir.
Oh.
Plant porridge. You guys sent me a bit man, me I think plant porridge. I strong like any lion that time there.
Yes. So you're not bother with it right now?
Oh, that cleared me, man.
So right now, guys, we don't have a ladder for Marcel to climb up, so we're trying to find something that he can climb up on to install the panel for the solar light. The drum don't have no bottom and no, Mass Nevi drum don't have any bottom or top.
No, so you can't put wood on it.
This is not a real drum.
Me want piece a thing like house, I don't know if you could have work too.
What, plyboard?
It's a long board.
Oh. Marcel, find some board.
The board can't put on it.
Well, we're going to try and see. That drum does not even look strong.
Not good.
So you have to be careful.
Make it work.
Yeah.
I could have get a leather if you could have walked around so you know, sir. Could have walked around a red man, but me one can't carry it.
Huh?
If me could have walked around a red man, we'd have get a leather around there, you know.
Oh.
What you say, Marcel?
I say, a black man, I think.
I say, one thing up on the house top there. If you were here, it will fly up.
Oh, you have one sink where blow
If you
up?
were hear it, I would mean me say, me could have put one stone pan it. When you go, you might see it. Put one stone pan it.
One stone pan is zinc.
Yes, sir.
But now we're not up there, you can put a stone, it going to roll off.
They roll off fire, man.
Because of how the zinc stay.
Oh.
Mass Nevi, is a guinea tree behind the house?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh.
Yes, man. It bear too, you know.
Yeah, so we see it have guineas on there.
Yeah, man.
Oh.
Well, let's say a tree or something. When you bear, you can't turn a gun the pickaki. Stand up there.
It's loaded.
Yes, man.
Okay. Marcel, I forgot to stand up close to that and hold it. I forgot to stand up close to that and hold it.
Well, I just right as I put the panel.
Oh.
I'm not go far up.
Then we blow up.
Yeah?
You know we blow up.
No, man. Not my screw down.
Oh. So you have to go do your labor work today?
Labor?
Labor day.
Labor every day, Mass Nevi. Every day. You find something to do.
Yeah.
Which part you go?
No,
Church?
no, sir, didn't know, sir. No,
They not do no project yesterday?
no, sir.
Sun hot in the Mass Nevi. Better you go inside.
Yes, sir.
Or go under the mango tree.
done. God's that thing. God, until you see God at work, you just work.
Yes, man.
Yeah, go do the next one.
Me? Sounds good.
Yeah. You look good too.
If you do some of my work too, not true? Yeah, just a looks every time.
You look, you know, help, you know.
Not true.
If you want to say, fix that, so.
We don't have the expertise to say fix that, so better we keep quiet.
You know, so enough people understand the work when they not do it.
Until they get it to do
they see
it.
it done, so they understand it.
Oh,
They
I see.
understand it. But when them are do it now, they don't know if you do.
Okay.
Alright, you may talk still. Alright.
How we are talk? Come here, you there here. You Mass Nevi, we ma talking now.
Yes, one of me.
Mass Nevi not even look what
You can't understand one thing. There is no.
Nevi not pay attention to this. Alright, this I will screw down. Okay, so screw.
You put the stone to hold it.
No, I want to step me make.
Okay.
Y'all give me them there.
You want me hold the drum?
Sun hot. Sun hot.
Marcel, hold on. Let me come over there. It's stable? It feels stable?
Yeah, give me pan.
Okay. Hold on. Yeah, looking at Mass Nevi house out this. And that made a thing too. You like put it where the board is so you can. Huh? Yeah.
Alright.
Where you want now? The drill?
Yeah, but something there in the screw.
Just right. You don't know want me hold the drill? It might go slide off.
Alright.
It's gonna blow off though.
You catch it, no?
Oh, you catch it?
That's one.
Mass Nevi, I get all the cool shade.
Yes, man. That's so cool. You know, see me plant a mango tree?
Yes?
Yeah, man. When you church it up here. When you church it up here.
Yeah. Oh.
Yeah.
Eh?
Yes.
Are you planting?
Yeah. We church it up here now.
Yeah.
That's how church move from Gulong so.
It hold? It break? Oh.
How many come for again?
I'm not sure. Hold on, let me come back here up.
Okay.
Okay. Alright, thank God you come along for that thing. Cause
Oh, so me come down, I'm gonna push the wire in my house. Yeah, this one, man.
oh, then, but you could just use a piece of stick and push it in, right? You don't necessarily have to go back up there for that. You want to put it where? No, inside? To go over Mass Nevi bed. See what that place there? The whole part. Oh. Uh-oh. You have to go back up. Oh no. Alright.
How many go up again? Remember?
I think you held on to the wall and kind of balance yourself. So that drop down in the house now?
Yeah.
Good.
Right over Mass Nevi bed, did it?
Okay, good.
Oi. Yes, sir.
Beg you use a fire hammer, please.
Yeah.
In your hot Mass Nevi.
Yes,
You
ma'am.
want to have fun, Mass Nevi?
In your hot.
Can't
Can't manage your fun.
No, correct.
I mean, look too like it, man.
You not like your fan?
I make it up cool.
Oh, okay. The one that hold it? Okay. You have to go set it on auto so it can just come on. So Mass Nevi not necessarily have to go there, go turn it on with the remote.
Start charging already.
I got it there, hot reverse.
Yeah.
Because this don't have no heat. So you know, will affect by something there with this.
Yeah. Okay, good.
See, Papa?
Yes.
Wonderful.
Yeah.
So it's, yeah, so you should be okay.
Yeah.
Just leave, you don't want to sleep in the light?
Yeah. Yes, can't stay, yes.
Okay, well, the auto okay then. Because once it gets dark, it will just come on
Yes.
and just stay until morning, hopefully.
Papa, no, why so... Unglo ba sa mga wa? What you say, why sa to?
Yes, man.
You put it on auto. So it's there on auto now.
Right, so you just come on. Maybe need to show us. Well, you wouldn't need to use the remote again.
No man, it's set. And it's set for 8 hours.
Okay.
So,
Alright, so see them Mass Nevi.
God bless them.
Yeah, man,
God
it
bless you.
auto.
You want it for bright, Mass Nevi?
That's it, we can't see good in there, so.
Yeah man, it's bright. Then it's on the brightest.
Yeah, fine, that's it dark.
Yeah. Alright, so that's it.
Yeah.
You have your light installed now.
Yes, man, God bless you
Yes,
people.
man.
We have a party for me now.
I know me that plan for take it.
Yeah, Mass Nevi.
You better...
Alright, you might use.
You plan to take a Mass Nevi hammer?
No, no, they don't.
Yeah, that's why Mass Nevi hide it, so you know.
But sometimes they come and they know one hammer.
Yes, you have to have the tool.
The tool, you know.
And then you can ask somebody where you pass to do something because you have the hammer.
Right, so yeah.
Yeah.
Alright, so
God bless them.
This is a remote feet in a Mass Nevi.
Uh-huh.
But you don't need to use the remote, you know.
Oh,
because it's set already.
oh,
You want to know if you use the remote still?
yeah.
Alright, you see that one here? That one over here, so. That one panel. The top, way up at the top. So hold the remote in your hand. So you see that one up here, so? Don't press it down. This one I turn on it, this turn off it.
Yeah,
So the top ones, this turn on it, this turn off it.
yeah.
So the one to your right, I hit turn on it. See?
Yeah.
Turn off it, that one.
Turn off, yeah.
And the one to your left,
Over, so it
turn on
it. Yeah.
uh-huh.
Just like it's stove.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So the one over there, so to your left,
Yeah.
hit turn on it. The one
I
to
go
your
put
right,
up, I go put up your good.
and the battery them in there. So if you don't need to use it,
Yeah,
it's alright.
yeah.
Yeah.
Because it will come on tonight.
Yes, sir.
It will go off in the morning.
Right. Yes,
Alright,
sir.
so-
God bless you, man.
So that's you, Mass Nevi,
Yes,
all
God.
set
Yes, ma'am.
with the light.
Everything set down now, man. God is good.
All the time.
Man. Yes, how?
Me come out, me passing you.
Me never know said this would happen. No, man. Man couldn't tell me that, brother.
Yes.
God of himself didn't know this.
Yes, man. So say thanks to your donors now.
Yes,
Her
ma'am.
name is YJ who send the light and groceries, so you can say thanks to her.
Yes, Miss Shinema,
We refer to her as YJ.
Miss YJ, thanking you and God bless you for what you sent for me, ma'am. And your store basket might never empty.
Yes.
Thank you very much for me. We need it. Yeah, man, and I trust in God and God help me.
Yeah.
God will help you to provide for you more and more. Yeah. And when you do a good, you know we come to you. Come.
Yes.
Better you do hope a good. God.
Yes, Mass Nevi.
Yeah.
All right, guys. So this is it for today. You know, it was difficult, but we have completed it. So once again, we use this opportunity to say thank you to YJ. Thanks to everyone who continue to support us and the work that we do. Thank you. Big up yourself, Marcel, you know, in the heat and up climbing up on that drum. Okay. All right, everybody. Thank you so much. God bless. And until we see you next time, thank you so much for making it Likkle, Everyting Jamaican. Blessed love and bye-bye.
Yeah.
Set up at the drum. Okay. Oh, all right.